The power of giving Microsoft feedback. I have provided Microsoft with my wish list for a PowerPoint functionality, the ability to write in the speaker notes while in the slideshow presenter view. I was told that this functionality had been available for more than 2 years. I share with them, yes, but it's on PowerPoint Online version and not the desktop version. After they investigated, they indeed have forgot to roll it out to the desktop version. And guess what? It is now available to all. Let's see it in action. If you are new to the slideshow presenter view, from the ribbon, click on Slideshow. Make sure Use Presenter View is checked. Next, you want to choose the monitor that is going to be visible to the viewers. They will have a full-size view of your presentation. I'm going to go ahead because I'm on slide 10. I'm going to hit Current Slide. So this is the presenter view. Only you will see this version, not the end users if you are presenting online. Let me just give you a quick preview of some of the features here. If I click on the display settings, if I swap, just so you know, this is exactly what your end users will see. Swap this back, this is what I will see. I can click on the laser pointer, which is going to be visible to them. You do have the pen and highlighter as well. You can look at all your slides and just go back. You can actually zoom in on a particular area if you needed to. If you need to just change your screen to be black, that's what that is. And if you want your subtitles to automatically appear on the screen, this is nice to have, especially if you're presenting to people globally. And I can go ahead and turn that off as well. If I want to turn on my camera, and you have some additional settings here as well. Now, what the highlight of this video is, I can look at my speaker notes and make a change. Before, I would have to close this out and make my changes or modify my presentation notes, and didn't have this ability to freely type in this area. Now the presenter view acts as your teleprompter. Now, go work your magic.